Welcome everybody. In the previous video, we have successfully created the wish me function. So let's try to run it one more time.
Welcome back, sir. The current time is 1:37 and 23 seconds. The current date is 26/7/2020. Good afternoon. Friday at your service. How I can help you?
As you can see, it responded correctly. Now, in this video, we will write a program that can get the command from the user. So, for that, we need to install a library which is called speech recognition. Since it is already installed on my machine, I will import it by typing import speech recognition as sr. You can install it on your machine by using the command pip install speech recognition. This library will help us to recognize our voice using our microphone, and for better recognition it requires a fast and continuous internet connection, since it uses internet for speech recognition. Now we will create another function, take command. Using this take command function, we will take the command from the user. After creating this function, we will create a variable r which will be equal to sr.recognizer. So here we are initializing the recognizer in the r variable. After that we will use with. We want to get input from the user using microphone. So for that we will type sr.microphone as source. So it will be our source for input. Now we will write a print statement that says listening. This will be printed in a terminal so that we can know if it is listening our command or not. After that, we have to write r.pause threshold and set it equal to 1. So it will wait for 1 second before it starts to listen. After that, we will write audio equals to r.listen source. So the microphone can listen to our audio. As we have mentioned that with sr.microphone as source, so we have passed this source variable in listen function, and after that we will have to add the try except block. We will write try and print. So if we are successfully getting the input through our microphone, then it should come to this try block and print recognizing. All this will be printed in terminal and we can see if it's working or not. Now we will create another variable that is query. We will do r.recognize Google, and first of all we will pass the audio. So as you can see, we are getting the voice from the microphone in the audio variable. So we are passing this audio variable here, and we will set the language of this audio to English United States by typing en equal to US. You can set this to English Indian by typing en equal to in. After that, we will print whatever we said into the terminal. So we want to print the query. That's it for try block. Now, what if there is an error or it is unable to recognize our voice? So for that, we have the except block. Accept exception as E, and we will print the exception in the terminal by using the print in parenthesis E statement. And we can also call our speak function here. If it is unable to recognize our command which we said, so we can add something like say that again please. So it will ask us to say that thing again. Now if it gets exception, we are going to return none by typing return none in double quotes. If this thing works in the try block and we want to return the query, so that we can use this query further in a program. For example, if I give a command to send email, so for this we have to use this query variable there. Let me just try to save this program and run it, and let's see if it works. Hello, this is test run. You can see in the terminal that the program is working correctly. One more thing, for this program to recognize your voice, you need a fast and continuous internet connection, otherwise it will not work properly. And let's move to the next video.